Hello friends, in this module we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is our sixth question here is, it is given that in a group of 3 students, so total number of students. So what you can write, total number of students, how many? Total number of students, 3. Total number of students are 3. The probability of two students not having the same birthday is 0 point. Not having. So we need to concentrate on not having. So probability of, what is the first sentence? Probability of two students. Probability of two students not having the same birthday. Let's going to take probability of two students not having the same birthday. What is that? Same birthday. That is P of not having, that P of E bar, that is 0.992. So this is the probability of two students not having the same birthday. We took it as P of E. Then what is the probability of two students having the same birthday? So that is, let's going to take probability. So probability of two students have the same birthday, have the same birthday. So what you can write here, that is P of E. P of E we need to find. So what is P of E? What is the formula of probability of not having and same event and occurring event and not event? So that formula we will going to write, that is P of E, probably P of E and P of E bar, that will be equal to 1. So P of E we need to find, P of E plus 0.992, that will be equal to 1. Then P of E will be equal to 1 minus 0.992. So here 1.000 and 0.992. So what is that? Subtraction. So here it will be 8 again, here 9 will be 0, 990 point, here also it will become 0. So what value we will get? 0.008. So P of E, probability of two students having the same birthday, that is 0.008. This is the answer. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We are going to discuss our seventh question. So what is that seventh one? So let's going to write, a die is thrown once, find the probability of getting prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. So here these are the dices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the numbers possible outcomes. So let's going to take, when a die is thrown, sample space. So what is the sample space here? How many possibilities we will get? So let's going to take, this is the sample space. Sample space will be, what is that sample space here? That is, how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the possible outcomes. So whatever, if you die thrown, the possible outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next one, what is that? First. So first denote event getting prime number. Let's going to take, let X will be the event getting, first one, what is that? Event getting prime number. Event getting a prime number. Event getting prime number. So what is that event? Prime number. Let's going to take, what is the possibilities? Prime numbers means here 2, 3, 5. So these are the prime numbers from all these sets, 2, 3, 5. Remaining all not prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5. Then what is the required probability? The probability is probability of an event X, event getting a prime number, that is X. Probability of this one will be equal to, let's going to take n of number of possible outcomes of X by total number of, sample space we are taking. So total number of possible outcomes. So number of So what is this? Possible outcomes. So number of possible outcomes with the getting prime number 3 by 6. So total number will be equal to 6. 3 ones are, then 3 twos are 1 by 2. So probability of getting 1 by 2. How 1 by 2 here is? Here 3 is the total 6. So 3 possibilities. 3 by 6. So that is the case here. Then what is second one? So second one will be equal to, so number lying between 2 and 6. So let's going to take y is a event getting number, what is that? Number lying between, what is that? Between 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 between means 3, 4, 5. That is y will be equal to the sample space 3, 4, 5. So between 2 and 6 means 3, 4, 5. So that is the one. So probability of getting event, that is number lying between 2 and 3, that is number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. So that is sample space 3 by, how many are there? 3. 1, 2, 3, then 6, 3 ones are, then 3 twos are, that is 1 by 2. So this is the thing. Next one, what is our third one? So third one will be, what is that? An odd number. Let's take z will be equal to event getting an odd number. So what are the odd numbers? That is, let's take z will be sample space. Odd numbers will be 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5. Then what is the probability of getting an event odd number? That is number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. So here 3, how many are there? 3. Then this is 6, 3 ones are, then 3 twos are, 1 by 2. So this is the way to find the values probability of getting through the dice. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.